There's tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion is legal. And bend the law is not breaking the law.
Tax evasion is
And tax
legal?
avoidance.
It's legal?
Tax avoidance is legal, but not tax evasion. That's bending the law.
What's the difference?
I'll give you,
Saan natin yung mga Bulacan? Yung mga Bulacan?
I'll give you the option.
Oo.
Republic Act 6713. Oh, civil forfeiture of assets. Basta ill-gotten wealth, wala sa SALN, wala sa income tax, pwede mo i-seize.
Balik yun?
Balik.
Lahat?
Oh.
Okay.
Marami yan, maraming paraan yan, Lucy.
But in exchange
Hindi lang
for
silang may abogado,
wala nang
abogado rin
kulong.
kami rito. Oh.
Teka, wala nang kulong. Parang balik nyo na lang, wala nang
Civil pa lang
kulong.
yun, may criminal. The best lawyers don't have to go to court.
Settlement is always a...
That's always the wiser alternative. Oh, that's always the wiser alternative. Siyempre, inflame tayo ng passions natin.
Yeah, gusto ba yan ng taong bayan?
Pero, I'm not here for the popular gain, Lucy. I'm here to deliver a service.
I'm not even saying that
I'm
it's
not
for
here
your
for politics.
popularity.
No.
It's for our peace of mind as
Exactly,
citizens.
exactly.
Diba? We
Oh.
want people in jail. It's not enough that you returned what you stole. Dapat nang ibalik mo, di ba?
At siyempre, alam mo, Lucy, kung talagang araw-arawin ng kaso, walang 2 linggo yung presentation of evidence. Kayang gawin yan.
Pero sabi nga nila, kulang din ng judges.
Hindi totoo yun. Sandigan Mayo, walang kaso ngayon. They have no cases now. Two weeks ago, nagka-raffle sila. Only 2 cases were raffled off.
So, ba't ang dami nilang backlog?
Hindi ko alam. Talagang sabi ko, gusto ko na lang mag-ombudsman. Ayoko na nito. Kasi hanggang dito, napapasok na ako eh. Secretary of Justice na ako, napapasok pa ako. Paano ba yung iba?
Napapasok? What do you mean? I'm sorry
Pinapasok
for the
na.
terminology.
Walang takot eh. Hindi na takot. Bali wala. Basta they do it because they can do it. Yun ang pakiramdam nila.
As in, pinapakialaman nila
Oo,
yung na
pinapakialaman
dapat
nila.
hands-off sila dyan.
Yes. Siyempre, pet project natin yan. Mukha ng Pilipinas yan. E-gates yan. Immigration counters natin yan. Mukha ng Pilipinas yan.
Ano gusto niya mangyari dapat doon? Gusto niya kanya yung kontrata nung
basta pinakikialaman nila in a sense that ito supplier driven ang ginagawa nila. Pinipilit nilang ilagay
yung
in terms of reference na sila lang ang papasa sa bidding. Hindi pwede yun eh.
Sa bidding ng equipment?
No, e-gates. Oh.
Yung nilalagyan natin ng passport para
Yun. Oh.
Why did they want that?
Pera.
It's just money?
Yes.
It's not so they can have more Chinese
Kasi meron
people or whatever.
meron silang kliyente siguro na meron siguro silang kickback. Hindi ko na tinatanong yon. Basta nakita ko, gusto nilang pakialaman yon.
Really? Okay, so you couldn't do anything as Secretary of Justice?
Basta nagsawa na ako. Sabi ko, hindi na pwede sa akin to. Kasi, I go to work every day. Tinataya ko buhay ko araw-araw. Sabay yun ang gagawin nyo sa akin. Hindi pwede sa akin yan.
And so now that you're ombudsman, are you in a better place to do that?
I think so.
How? What can the ombudsman do that the Secretary of Justice cannot?
Punish erring officials. Investigate them. File cases against them. Prosecute them. Put them in jail. The Secretary of Justice cannot do that.
They can only prosecute.
They can only do that against private persons. Except for crimes committed by police officers that are chargeable to us. That we prosecute ourselves.
Okay, sabihin ng iba, paano namin malalaman na hindi mo naman tatargetin ang mga political enemies mo?
I'm beyond that, Kuchi. Ano na to eh. I think that's too cynical. I think that's lack of respect for what I am and what I've been. I think that's a totally out of this world remark. I take offense on that.
Well, my apologies.
I really take offense because it's
But that's
not
the
right.
perception.
Yeah, but it's not right.
Hindi kasi maalis nga yung, siguro yun na nga, babalik.
Hindi talaga hindi maaalis yan kasi nga, ang agenda ng politika ng ibang tao hindi naman titigil eh. So I don't have to explain myself. I just do what I do. Hindi ko na kailangan paliwanag yung tingin ko tama para sa bansa. Kung kailangan mo paliwanag yung araw-araw, hindi ko na magagawa trabaho ko.
Okay, so with the e-gates, you think you can do something about what Zaldico was doing?
Ano na ngayon? Maandar na ngayon. Meron na, nung nawala sila sa picture, yun na, meron na. Ang nangyari dyan, nung NAIA Corporation was the one that purchased the e-gates. Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy na.
So natalo siya sa bidding?
Hindi
award.
na nakapasok. Hindi na namin binid yan. Nag-volunteer na lang ang new NAIA. Kasi sila na lang bumili ng e-gates. Kaya lang kailangan namin ayusin yung system para talagang kompleto sa passenger information, etc. All the tawag dito, biometrics biometric features that it contains.
Okay, so now, you're seeing his involvement again. Sabihin na lang natin, pakikialam na naman niya.
Oo. Doon ako nagalit na talaga. Sabi ko, ayoko na. Hindi na pwede ito. Kaya nag-apply ako ng ombudsman. Mga June yun eh. Hindi pa lumalabas ang speech ng presidente. Sa mahiya naman kayo. Sinabi ko na gusto ko na mag-ombudsman.
So are you intent on catching the thieves in this flood control
Well,
project?
this is already legacy setting, Lucy. I do not even mistake me for a politician who just wants pogi points. This is out of this world because what we do here is we just go to work every day to catch the bad guys, and you make really real enemies here. It's not very enjoyable, but we have to do it.
But what if it goes far, far above Zaldico? Are you ready?
Basta the evidence is there. Wala naman akong ano eh, basta the evidence is there. If it stares you in the face, can you say it's not true? Hindi naman ganun eh. Evidence is evidence. Kaya nga, I think that the political angle is getting too much.
Yes.
I think they're just too afraid that they have their own skeletons that they're trying to guard against. Baka lumabas. Ganun lang naman yun eh.
Now, ikato pa, during the hearing, during the hearing, I have to ask you this, no? When Senator Erwin Tulfo was angry, he actually declared loudly that,
You bend the law?
yes, sometimes you have to bend the law. And he asked you, tama ba? And you said yes.
Sometimes you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir. Lucy, a person in the height of
When
passion...
can you bend the law?
No. Listen to this. A person at the height of passion, do you want to argue with him? You don't want to argue with him in his territory. And besides, he said bend the law. There's tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion is legal. And bend the law is not breaking the law.
Tax evasion is
And
legal.
tax avoidance.
It's legal.
Tax avoidance is legal, but not tax evasion. That's bending the law.
What's the difference?
It's the devices lawyers make so that the taxes won't stick.
So I can avoid paying taxes?
Tax
You know,
avoidance meaning to say you fall under a lesser category, so the tax is not as big as it should be.
It's still illegal though.
No. These are legal devices. And bending the law is not breaking the law, Lucy.
Wow, grabe naman.
If you ask me, will you break the law? No, I will not break the law. Bend the law. Pwede.
Ay, dyan magaling nga mga lawyer.
Kaya nga, abogado tayo.
No, but that's why we also wonder whether as an ombudsman, you're going to find ways to bend the law.
No.
I mean,
Ano tayo, the law is clear. Basta mahalaga yung facts at yung evidence. Yun ang mahalaga sa lahat. And the law that applies to the situation.
Galing mo naman masyado. Nakakalusot ka. Dapat talaga trial lawyer ka.
The best lawyers don't go to court.